In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix mouse wheel is zooming instead of scrolling on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing that you need to make sure is if your control key is getting stuck. So how can you check on that? Go to the Windows search bar and type OSK. Click on on-screen keyboard under the best match. So if you find your control key like this on the on-screen keyboard, that means that your control key is stuck. So click on that once. Okay? So try on that. So I hope this video is valuable. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. Step 2 is that we also need to make sure our mouse driver is updated. So for that, right click at the start button and then here you have to select device manager. Once device manager window is opened, we have to simply locate mice and other pointing devices, expand the list. So if you have more than one available driver, just simply update each. Right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Right click, update, search automatically for drivers. Okay. But if that worked for you, then good. But if not, right click again, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers that may pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Simply choose the compliant mouse and click on next. Unclose this. You can do that for the other driver and then see if that fixed your issue. For the next method, still in the same device manager window, right click on your mouse driver, select uninstall device, and click on the uninstall button. Once uninstalled, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver on your Windows. Okay? Then for the next method, we are going to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Then click on the File tab. Then click on Options. Then you have to click on the Advanced. Now make sure to uncheck this option, Zoom on Roll with Mouse. Uncheck that option. Click on OK to save the changes and then close this. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.